You've seen the HAILEY BIEBER glazed nail trend, and now we're gonna update it like Vanessa Hudgens did for fall. What's up, nail crew? I wanted to do this really fun tutorial today on how to do the glazed nail look for fall. And it's gonna add a little bit darker and kind of sexy mani going on, but it'll still keep that fun glazed chrome look that we all loved this past summer for the HAILEY BIEBER nails. Since we'll be using a dark chrome powder, you wanna make sure you protect your skin. I like to use Purine liquid latex, and they have a latex-free version as well if you have a latex allergy. I cover right around my cuticles on all my nails so that when I'm going and chroming, this doesn't get all over my skin and then I have dark chrome powder all over. Now, the really amazing thing about this color that I chose, it's not just a chrome powder, but it's actually a chrome dip powder. So you can dip straight into it and get a chrome effect if you cannot use gels. But if you can use gels, you could also chrome it. So what I decided to do was I did the first layer just dipped, and this way everyone who can't use gels can see like what it's going to look like if you aren't going to use gels to chrome your nails. So you want to make sure when you're using a gorgeous dark chrome powder like this that you apply dip liquids or gels all across your nail. And since we're doing chrome, you know that it shows everything. So we want to make sure we cover our entire nail with the chrome dip powder so that when we go to chrome, it's really nice and even. And look at that gorgeous chrome dip powder color. Oh my gosh, you can see how cool it's going to be already just from dipping. And when you get it chromed, it reflects purple and blue and green and black. And oh my gosh, it is so amazing. So I'm going through and I'm going to finish dipping my nails. And I apply that full layer of gel base. I'm using gels for this mani since I was going to use them to do the chrome. And I decided to just do one layer of the dip. It just didn't make any sense to do too many more layers of dip. Once I finish dipping the first layer, then I go in with a layer of gel base on all my nails and I make sure that I cap my edges. Because whenever you're doing chrome, the chrome picks everything up. You want to make sure that you cover every inch of your nail if that's where you want the chrome to be. And once you finish applying gel base to your nails, you apply gel top and flash cure it for 10 seconds. And here comes the fun part. This is where we're gonna get that gorgeous chromed glaze look. And since we're doing it for fall, it is gorgeous and dark, and I think it's like a sexy mani. It's just super fun. So you can see it popping out already, and compared to just dipping. So I'm gonna go through now and do the rest of my nails. I wanted to do my thumb first because anytime that I'm using gels or builder gel, anything like that, I always go and do my thumb first so that when I cure, my thumb is not like in this weird position. I just cure my thumb by itself. Sometimes when you put your 5 nails into a UV LED light, your thumbnail tends to like kind of stick to the side, and then it doesn't fully cure whatever gels or builder gel or poly gel, whatever you're using. So it's always a really good idea to cure your thumb by itself. Now you can see I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna put top coat on all the rest of my nails so that then I can get the full chromed glaze look on every single one of my nails. I thought about leaving some just with the dip powder, but then that wouldn't give me the full chromed glazed look that I was going for fall, just like Vanessa Hudgens did. To me, it's like the update of, again, the update of the HAILEY BIEBER nails. So one thing that's really important whenever you're using gels is you always want to take acetone on some kind of pointy eyeshadow brush or a nail tool, and you want to make sure that you get any gel off your skin before you cure. This keeps you from getting gel allergies. The more you expose that your skin to gel, the more likely you are to get a gel allergy, and I do not want to give up these gorgeous gels that I get to use. So you can see how quickly this chrome dip powder works. It is insane. Like, you can see the change in seconds, and you barely need any of this chrome powder. When it's super pigmented like this, that's how you can tell chrome is a really high quality, when you barely need to use any to get a chrome effect. And I am just like lightly dabbing in, and then I scrub it in. I really rub it well with the little eyeshadow applicator brush. And once I'm done applying the chrome to all the nails, I like to go in with one of the clean sides of the eyeshadow brush and wipe it off, and then take a clean eyeshadow, bigger eyeshadow brush, and dust off all the excess. This makes sure even less gets stuck on your skin. And then you'll want to top coat it with a gel base and gel top. These gorgeous nails really are that easy, I promise. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more chrome manis or any other kind of nail art that you'd like to see me do. And don't forget to subscribe and check out this next tutorial I did on more nail art. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.